Holy shit! Holy shit! I went out that door and just got fucked. Fucking don't let me die! Don't let me fucking die! Don't let me die! You were really gonna block it as instant kill! I fucking is so fucking cunt! Ah, for fuck's sake! Not this shit
teddy bear.
Not this shit all over again. Oh no, I'm fucking lagging. Evan, come back! Evan, I'm scared! Evan!
Okay, I'm coming.
You guys die here!
Jesus
Today
Christ.
I'm gonna be playing my guitar! And we're gonna have a lot of fun! This voice is totally and utterly fake, and I'm definitely not as excited as I should be while playing Minecraft. And so pretty much I'm gonna be talking like this for the whole video. And I'm gonna keep stressing my voice right now. My face is turning red, and I'm gonna fucking do it. Fucking about you.
Did you see what was? Did he just tap dance?
Trolls here 2012.
If that ends the round, I'm gonna be pissed at you.
Round 21, man.
21.
It's
round
round
is it?
21, you fucking
What round is it,
dude.
Nogla? What round is it?
Oh, I got a new. Just kidding, Death Machine.
Okay, you enjoy your dancing. You want me to turn on some music for you, bud?
Yeah, sure.
I'm turning on the music.
Yeah!
What the hell was that noise?
It's Nogla's new track.
Yep, buy on iTunes $9.99. That's right, $10 for one song.
Yeah, I wish I was in that party.
That's actually pretty good.
What do I do?
Just remain calm. Remain calm. Remain calm. Remain calm, Nogla. Oh God! You swallowed a knife. Delirious. This man is puking out boxes and body parts and knives.
Leave him there. He's alright.
Okay, well that just came from your hand. Hey, look, a Spaz 12.
Don't pick that up.
Goodbye.
Oh, you faggot!
Holy shit, there's a truck right here that you can unlock. Can we fucking drop trucks?
Are you okay?
And the huge fucking Hulk guy was there!
Hey, Delirious, I'm your biggest fan. No! I love you. Why? Why? It was my child. I liked all your videos. I'm just gonna go here.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead on the fucking stairs.
You got me. You got me. Oh my God, you're the best.
Oh, right here. What the fuck?
I'm going to the room. I'm using the key. Come on.
Oh, fuck!
Let's hold out right here, Nogla. Let's make our stand.
That a child held 3 at a moderate level.
What? Was that English?
Pick me up.
Then pick me up.
They're targets.
Yeah.
So obviously missiles are gonna rain down from the sky.
That was the perfect time to press the button. Night Owl can't make it, then what does Lobster Man stand a chance?
Lobster Man can make it.
Lobster Man can make it!
All of us are so serious and he's just there with that stupid fucking face.
We got a jury cut.
I like to put gas on stuff.
Who's taking the actual plane? Who's taking the real plane?
Louis should take it. I'm gonna take the fucking
I'm not
running
gonna
over.
get into it yet. Let me know when you guys are ready, because as soon as I get into it, it's gonna trigger the plane ticket. Oh my God, Battle!
Who did that?
I didn't think you could die for my RPG.
Oh, sick!
Okay then. The whole fucking thing was a trap. That was just a pole. Fuck.
I don't know. I don't know.
And we all turned into sheep there.
Really?
Really? Huh? What's it gonna kill you, huh? Huh?
He sounds like a murderer. What the fuck?
Take it easy, man.
It's only a game of Call of
Just a
Duty.
game.
Not just a fucking game anymore.
Sounds like he's gonna cut off your face and wear it on his ball sack.
Don't have me as hiding. Don't have me as hiding. Don't have me as sinking. Fuck.
Hi, boys. You know what we're doing?
Let's go.
Oh, yay. I can't fucking wait for this, bro.
King Cactus wants to go to bed.
That's not your cactus.
It is. It is. I'm gonna spawn my own in so you can stop being fucking mean to me. Oh, there it is. There. Oh, you fuck it!
He's gonna fucking shoot you over it.
Come on, Nogla, take it away. Take it away,
Come on,
Nogla.
It just died. Take it to the next level.
You gotta give him credit. He always delivers.
When you want to kill a joke, I'm your man.
I actually... No, wait. The safe is at Pack-a-Punch.
I really need to pee for beer.
Your mic was so fucked.
I really need to be. What did he say? I think he just.
I think he just became a demon and left. He's gone.
Hey! Open! 750 points! Open!
No, I'm not gonna spin. Just jump over the chairs.
Jump over it! I can't!
hard.
What a scam. He wants me to pay him $750.
Open a bundle of
What a
chairs.
scam.
Oh my god! Open it!
Oh wow! Thanks for the heads up there.
Oh my god! Open the door!
It's okay, I got Panzer Shrek! Panzer Shrek!
Open it! Open it!
Oh god! Panzer Shrek! I'm alive!
Hey, where?
Nogla, turn around.
Fuck this.
Turn around.
Fucking...
Nogla.
What? Where are you?
Hey,
Oh, hey.
get me out of here. You gotta save me.
Hold on. Come down the stairs.
How did you get here? What? You were in front of me, then I turned around and you were here. That was creepy.
Yeah, I'm good at that.